Hey guys, Coach KIRKSHINTA here. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to talk about how you can literally make thousands of dollars from home using replicated systems. I'm going to go over what a replicated system is and how you can use it effectively to your advantage to be able to do what I've done, not only in this program, but across multiple programs, right? So, what I want you to understand what a replicated system is. So replicated system means that beginners, when they come online, they're trying to put together funnels and all this stuff, and their head is like, right? The beauty of a replicated system is that it's already done for you. It's already put together for you. It's literally a funnel that has been put together by copywriters, by email writers, all types of things like that. And they done the work of putting together a system that has been tested to be effective. And you don't have to do the testing of testing headlines and testing follow-up emails and all those things like that. Is already put together for you. Okay. So for a beginner who wants to come online and wants to actually start building money with a work from home system, a replicated system is your friend. Okay. So what is a replicated system? So I'm going to grab myself another pen. So replicated system simply is a capture page, which let's look at one real quick. Okay. So this, I just wanted to show you the income that I've made with this system following literally the system. So a replicated system is a capture page system. It has a headline that is attractive. It allows you to be able to put in your email, and then it allows the person who's watching that, once they submit that information, to immediately watch a presentation on your company product service opportunity. So this program is called $25 One Up. It's an instant commission program, no monthly fees, and it allows you to earn $125, $250, $500, $1,000 commissions. And the way I've been able to make over $27,000 with this system is by using a replicated system. Okay, so it starts with a capture page. Someone puts in their information. Then from that information, it goes to a sales page. And this is where a lot of people get things wrong. Okay, and I just want to explain the power of a replicated system. So once a person puts in their information, they're going to see a presentation. That presentation is going to explain to them everything they need to know to get started with the product service opportunity. In this case, $25 One Up. So it's going to tell them, it's going to give them a brief presentation. It's going to show them some proof. It's going to say, this is how it works. Where people get it wrong, and they already not only lost their authority, but they're probably going to lose the sale, is people start asking questions in the inbox and they start answering it before the person even watched the presentation. I'm giving you some closing tips. They lose the sale before the person even watched the presentation, because they didn't watch the presentation and you didn't allow the system to do its work and the system to explain to the person how it works. Okay, so when people ask questions, not that you don't want to ask their questions, just say, hey, watch this video. And if after you've watched it in full, you have any questions, I will gladly answer any remaining questions that you have. Watch the presentation. Make people watch the presentation. That's the beauty of a replicated system. It takes the pressure off of you having to be the person who is explaining things, right? Who wants to be a salesperson, right? You let your system do that. Okay. Then after they've watched the presentation, here's where another thing that your replicated system is doing for you is following up. Okay. What that means is once someone puts in their name, let's do this together. Okay. We're going to log in. Okay. See. Okay. It is hot here, guys. I don't even know what the temperature is right now. Okay, boom. They get a presentation, right? It literally explains to them how it works. And then after they watch the whole presentation, a button is going to pop up for them to join. Okay? Now, once they've done that, immediately the system's going to send them an email. That email is going to say, hey, great, congratulations for creating an account with $25 One Up, or whatever it says, right? They're going to get that email, and then it's going to continue to send them emails about this program. Okay? That's the beauty of an automated system. Okay? A replicated system. Now, you're like, okay, that's cool. Now, Coach Shen, can you explain to me, how do I even get people to go to my replicated system? What do I have to do? Well, there's a lot of ways you can do it, but I'm going to tell you the most effective way. So for people who are like, I'm not winning, I want to earn $27,000 with one system or more systems or whatever. Can you tell me how to do it? Here's how you do it. Stop avoiding the thing that you're avoiding, right? There's a reason why, I think it's like something like less than 93% of people who are online win, right? And that's because they want to avoid the work that the 3 to 6% are doing, right? And that's putting out content. The thing is that you don't have to be intimidated by content, because all content means, and let me erase that, because when people use the word content, people like get all shooketh. No reason to get shooketh, because all content means is that you're putting out simple posts and simple videos about your product, service, opportunity. Okay. But the secret is, and this is something that you learn when you partner with me, right? You're going to learn how to put it out in a way that you attract to you people who want what you got, right? And not repel people. I see a lot of join my team. Oh, look, we made $1,000 and you still ain't getting no leads and sales, because nobody wants what you got. You still haven't told nobody the benefits of what it is that you got. You haven't put any value into the marketplace for people that might want to partner with you. Right? So these are the things that you need to do on a daily basis. And the great thing is I show my team a method where when they do these things, put out simple posts and videos, and I give them a framework on how to do it, right? They can do this in less than an hour a day, right? With consistency. And they know with full faith, because they're doing it, and you can see throughout my channel, my tribe getting results, right? They're on a consistent basis having a few things happen to them. They're getting leads, people reaching out to them saying, hey, I saw your video. Hey, I saw your post. Hey, I saw this. I saw that. Their content, right? And hey, can you give me some more information? Lead. They're not chasing people. People are reaching out to them. And then they're allowing their replicated system to do the first follow-up, and they do some simple follow-up, right? Like people come into their systems to be a freaking human being. Hey, listen, thanks for getting in my system. Got any questions? Ready to get started? Want to know what we give to people when they get started? Okay, cool. Follow up. Done. No pressure. Right? This is business, right? That's all it is. Content. And allow your replicated system to do its job. It does most of the heavy lifting, right? So this is the simple process that my team follows, right? And as a result, they're able to earn $125, $250, $500, and $1,000 commissions from home, right? With no monthly fees, right? And direct payout to their Cash App, Venmo, Square, Authorized Net, you name it, Zelle, right? They're able to get all those payments, right? They're able to get pass up and overrides from this system, which is a replicated system. And all they got to do is follow the blueprint, which shows them how to put out little pieces of content, posts and videos with consistently, and have people reaching out to them. And there comes the money. And guess what? Once they learn this process, my members are creating multiple streams for themselves. Because they're like, well, shoot, I know how to do this in $25 one, but I'm going to go up to this other program and I'm going to add on another program. And it might not even be in the same industry, but, they're like, well, let me dig in my toolbox. This method could work with this program. And I done started building momentum with that. Okay, well, let me do it. And now they're building multiple streams, which that's how you really get economic freedom, is building multiple streams. So they've learned this whole process. All right. So if you're watching this and you're like, you know what, Coach, I like the idea of earning $125, $250, $500, $1,000 commissions, but even better, I like the idea of actually for once learning how to effectively market and put out simple pieces of content with consistency and actually beginning to win online instead of joining just another program. Instead of saying, oh, it doesn't work. Instead of saying, oh, I'm overwhelmed, right? I want to, for once, actually have a path to actually start building leads and sales online and earning those commissions, right? And being with the winning tribe that's doing the darn thing, right? If that's you, all you got to do is position yourself accordingly. Access to my tribe starts at platinum. Most of my people are at 250, 500, and then we have the elite level where I am, which is the $1,000 level. Whichever commission level you want to join at, it's your business, right? What's her name? I forget that lady name. She'd be like, it's your business. The brown lady, the vegan lady, something brown. Anyways, position yourself accordingly. It's your business. All right. Once you've done that, reach out to me. All right. My information is beneath the video. And that's it. And then we'll plug you into our team blueprint and you get to work and you build your business. And then you like, yay, I'm with winners. So that's it. Smash the subscribe button. Share it with somebody who needs it. Let me know your best takeaway. Are you using a replicated system? Let me know. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.